Introduction to Visual Basic.NET. Welcome to our exploration of Visual Basic.NET, a versatile and powerful programming language that's been a cornerstone of software development since its introduction. But what exactly is Visual Basic.NET? In essence, it's an object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft, designed specifically to harness the capabilities of the .NET framework. It's the evolution of the classic Visual Basic language, embracing modern programming paradigms while maintaining a user-friendly syntax. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Visual Basic.NET burst onto the scene in 2002 as part of Microsoft's ambitious .NET initiative. This marked a significant departure from its predecessor, as it embraced a fully object-oriented approach, paving the way for more robust and scalable applications. Over the years, Visual Basic.NET has continued to evolve, with each iteration bringing new features and enhancements. But what sets it apart from other programming languages? One of its greatest strengths lies in its simplicity. Visual Basic.NET offers a clean and intuitive syntax that's easy to learn, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Yet, it doesn't sacrifice power or flexibility, thanks to its seamless integration with the .NET framework. Whether you're developing a desktop application for a small business or a sophisticated cloud-based solution for a multinational corporation, Visual Basic.NET has you covered. Its versatility knows no bounds. In conclusion, Visual Basic.NET isn't just a programming language, it's a testament to the power of innovation and adaptability. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a cornerstone of modern software development, it continues to inspire developers around the world. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Visual Basic.NET today and unleash your creativity. But why Visual Basic.NET? What sets it apart from other programming languages? Let's start with its ease of use. Visual Basic.NET is renowned for its simplicity and intuitive syntax, making it the perfect choice for beginners diving into the world of programming. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Visual Basic.NET is backed by Microsoft's powerful integrated development environment, Visual Studio. With a comprehensive suite of tools at your fingertips, coding becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your ideas to life. Visual Basic.NET seamlessly integrates with the .NET framework, providing access to a vast array of libraries, APIs, and services. Whether you're building a desktop application for a local business or a cutting-edge mobile app for a global audience, Visual Basic.NET empowers you to turn your vision into reality. And let's not forget about rapid application development. With Visual Basic.NET's drag-and-drop design, code snippets, and wizards, you can build and deploy applications in record time. In conclusion, Visual Basic.NET is more than just a programming language, it's a gateway to limitless possibilities. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Basic.NET and unleash your creativity today. We'll explore the key features that make Visual Basic.NET a powerhouse in the realm of programming languages. So buckle up and get ready to dive deep into the heart of Visual Basic.NET. Let's start with object-oriented programming, the backbone of Visual Basic.NET. By supporting concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism, Visual Basic.NET empowers developers to organize code into reusable objects, fostering maintainable and scalable applications. Next up, Windows Forms. With Visual Basic.NET's Windows Forms framework, developers can craft rich desktop applications with ease. Imagine designing interactive user interfaces using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Visual Basic.NET makes it possible. But what about web development? Fear not. Visual Basic.NET offers Web Forms, a powerful framework that abstracts away the complexities of web development. Saving to endless lines of code, Web Forms lets developers create dynamic UIs using familiar event-driven programming techniques. Now, let's talk data access. Visual Basic.NET provides robust capabilities through technologies like ADO.NET and LINQ. Whether you're connecting to databases or manipulating data, Visual Basic.NET has got you covered, ensuring efficient data management in your applications. Effective error handling is crucial for building reliable software, and Visual Basic.NET excels in this regard. With comprehensive mechanisms for handling exceptions, such as try-catch blocks, developers can smooth execution and enhance the overall stability of their applications. Last but not least, event-driven programming. In Visual Basic.NET, actions or events trigger corresponding event handlers, enabling dynamic and responsive application behavior. Say hello to applications that react seamlessly to user intentions and system events. In conclusion, Visual Basic.NET offers a treasure trove of features and frameworks that empower developers to build cutting-edge applications. From desktop software to web applications, Visual Basic.NET is your ultimate ally in the world of software development. Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of object-oriented programming, classes. In Visual Basic.NET, classes serve as the blueprint for creating objects, encapsulating both data and behavior. It's like building with Lego bricks, each class defines a unique piece, and together, they form the foundation of your action. Next up, we have inheritance, a powerful tool in the object-oriented arsenal. With inheritance, classes can inherit properties and behaviors from other classes, forming a hierarchical relationship. It's like passing down traits from one generation to the next, allowing for efficient code reuse and a structured approach to development. Now, let's talk about polymorphism, a fancy term for the ability of objects to take on different forms. In Visual Basic.NET, polymorphism enables objects of different classes to be treated as instances of a common superclass. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, adaptable, and ready for any situation. Last but certainly not least, we have encapsulation, the secret sauce of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation bundles data and methods within a single unit, shielding them from external interference. It's like a treasure chest, keeping your valuables secure, while allowing controlled access when needed. In summary, object-oriented programming in Visual Basic.NET offers a powerful and flexible paradigm for building robust software solutions. By mastering these concepts, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, developers can unlock the full potential of Visual Basic.NET, unleashing their creativity and shaping the future of technology. In Visual Basic.NET, Windows Forms serves as the go-to framework for building sleek and interactive desktop applications. It's like having a blank canvas, ready for your creative touch. But what sets Windows Forms apart is its seamless integration with Visual Studio, the ultimate toolkit for developers. With a rich set of tools and controls at your disposal, crafting stunning UIs becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious coding and hello to intuitive design. Speaking of design, Windows Forms offers a treasure trove of pre-built controls, from buttons and text boxes to labels and list boxes. Simply drag them onto your form, tweak their properties, and watch your UI come to life. It's like building with Lego bricks, but for software. Now, let's talk about event-driven programming, the heartbeat of Windows Forms applications. Every click, every keystroke, each one triggers a flurry of events that keep your application responsive and dynamic. It's like conducting an orchestra, where every note plays a crucial role in the symphony of your application. But wait, there's more. Windows Forms provides a playground for creativity with its flexible layout and design options. Whether you're arranging controls and panels or utilizing docking properties, the possibilities are endless. Say hello to UIs that adapt and evolve with your users' needs. And let's not forget about customization and styling. With Windows Forms, you're not limited to a one-size-fits-all approach. Apply custom themes, add stylish elements, make it uniquely yours. After all, your application should not only function flawlessly but also look and feel exceptional. In conclusion, Windows Forms remains a powerhouse in the world of desktop application development. With its ease of use, rich set of controls, and seamless integration with Visual Studio, it's no wonder developers continue to choose Windows Forms as their preferred framework. Let's embark on an exciting journey through the web forms and uncover the magic behind building dynamic and responsive web applications. First up, an introduction to web forms. This innovative framework provided by Visual Basic.NET abstracts away the complexities of web development, offering developers a familiar environment to Windows Forms. It's like bringing the ease of desktop application development to the web. But what powers web forms behind the scenes? Enter the ASP.NET Framework, a robust platform that serves as the backbone of web development. From state management to authentication, ASP.NET provides a suite of tools to streamline the web development process. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for web development. Now, let's dive into the heart of web forms, the server-side rendering approach. Here, the web server generates HTML markup and sends it to the client's browser, resulting in dynamic and interactive web experiences. With Visual Studio's drag-and-drop interface, developers can effortlessly design web forms, adding server-side controls to create captivating UIs. It's like painting a masterpiece with pixels and code. But what truly sets web forms apart is its event-driven programming model. Every button click, every form submission, each event triggers a server-side event handler, enabling dynamic and responsive application behavior. It's like conducting a symphony of events, where each note plays a crucial role in orchestrating the user experience. And let's not forget about state management, the glue that holds the web application together. With mechanisms like view state and session state, developers can preserve control state and user input across page postbacks, ensuring a seamless and responsive user experience. It's like keeping track of your progress in a never-ending adventure. Last but not least, web forms offer a treasure trove of rich controls and components. From data grids to drop-down lists, these server-side controls empower developers to build dynamic and interactive web UIs with ease. It's like having a toolbox filled with endless possibilities. In conclusion, web forms revolutionized the way developers create web applications, offering a seamless blend of Visual Basic Net's simplicity and the power of ASP.NET. With web forms, the possibilities are limitless, so why wait? Dive into the world of web forms and unleash your creativity today. Data access in Visual Basic.NET, a cornerstone of application development where the power to connect, retrieve, and manipulate data lies at your fingertips. Let's embark on a fascinating journey through the world of data access and explore the tools and technologies that empower developers to unlock the potential of their applications. First up, we have ADO.NET, the backbone of data access in Visual Basic.NET. With its arsenal of classes and APIs, ADO.NET enables developers to establish connections to databases, execute queries, and retrieve or update data with ease. It's like having a key to unlock the treasure trove of information in databases. But what makes ADO.NET tick? Let's dive deeper into its key components. From the SQL Connection class for establishing database connections to the SQL DataReader class for fetching data in a lightning-fast manner, ADO.NET equips developers with the tools they need to navigate the data landscape seamlessly. It's like assembling a finely tuned engine, where each component plays a crucial role in powering your application forward. Next on our journey is LINQ, the Swiss Army knife of data manipulation in Visual Basic.NET. With its integrated querying language, LINQ empowers developers to query and manipulate data from various sources using a unified syntax. Whether you're querying databases, XML, or collections, LINQ standard query operators have got you covered. It's like having a magic wand that transforms complex data operations into elegant lines of code. But wait, there's more. Entity Framework, the wizard of object relational mapping in Visual Basic.NET. With its domain-specific objects, Entity Framework abstracts away the complexities of database interaction, allowing developers to focus on their application logic. It's like having a trusted assistant who handles the nitty-gritty details while you focus on bringing ideas to life. And let's not forget about best practices. Whether it's using parameterized queries to fend off SQL injection attacks or gracefully handling database exceptions, implementing sound data access practices is essential for building resilient and secure applications. It's like fortifying the walls of your castle to stand any challenge that comes your way. In conclusion, data access in Visual Basic.NET is more than just a technical necessity, it's the lifeline that fuels the success of your applications. By harnessing the power of ADO.NET, LINQ, and Entity Framework, developers can craft data-driven experiences that delight users and drive business growth. Error handling in Visual Basic.NET, a crucial aspect of software development where reliability, user experience, and data integrity converge to create seamless applications. Let's embark on an enlightening journey through the world of error handling and uncover the strategies and techniques that empower developers to navigate the pitfalls of errors with finesse. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room, ensuring application reliability. Error handling isn't just about catching bugs. It's about fortifying your application's defenses against unexpected mishaps. With proper error handling mechanisms in place, developers can shield applications from crashes and data corruption, ensuring smooth sailing even in turbulent waters. But error handling isn't just a technical necessity, it's a gateway to enhancing user experience. Picture this: you encounter an error message that reads like a cryptic puzzle. Frustrating, isn't it? Effective error handling transforms that experience into a seamless journey, with informative error messages guiding users through unexpected situations like a trusted navigator. It's like turning roadblocks into detours, ensuring users stay on course towards their destination. Now, let's dive into the toolbox of error handling techniques in Visual Basic. At the forefront, we have try-catch blocks, an indispensable tool for gracefully handling exceptions. By encapsulating error-prone code within try blocks and catching exceptions in catch blocks, developers can orchestrate a symphony of resilience, ensuring their applications weather the storm of runtime errors with grace and poise. But the journey doesn't end there. Enter the realm of logging and reporting, a sanctuary for diagnostic wizards and troubleshooters alike. With logging frameworks like Log4j or the built-in logging capabilities of .NET, developers can capture detailed information about exceptions and errors, shedding light on the darkest corners of their applications. It's like having a trail of breadcrumbs to lead you out of the labyrinth of bugs and glitches. In conclusion, error handling in Visual Basic .NET isn't just about fixing bugs, it's about building resilience, enhancing user experience, and safeguarding data integrity. By mastering the art of error handling and embracing best practices, developers can craft applications that stand the test of time and deliver unparalleled value to users. So, let's rise to the occasion and embrace the journey of error handling in Visual Basic .NET, where every bug becomes an opportunity for growth, and every error is a stepping stone towards perfection. Event-driven programming in Visual Basic .NET, a realm where user interactions, system notifications, and external triggers come to life, shaping the flow of applications with every click, keystroke, and movement. Let's embark on an illuminating journey through the heart of event-driven programming and explore how it fuels the creation of intuitive and responsive applications in both desktop and web environments. At the core of event-driven programming are events, the building blocks that signal specific actions, like a beacon guiding the path of your application, paired with event handlers, nimble responders that spring into action when events occur. Developers wield the power to orchestrate seamless interactions and dynamic responses that captivate users. Visual Basic .NET dances to the rhythm of a robust event-driven programming model, where every button click, mouse movement, and keystroke sets the stage for action. With a rich palette of events at their disposal, click, mouse move, key press, and more, developers choreograph an immersive experience that engages users and drives interaction. But what makes event-driven programming truly extraordinary? Let's explore its myriad advantages. From fostering modularity and code reusability to delivering a dynamic and interactive user experience, event-driven applications shine as innovation and engagement. With loose coupling and separation of concerns at its core, event-driven programming empowers developers to craft applications that adapt, evolve, and inspire. In summary, event-driven programming in Visual Basic .NET isn't just a programming paradigm, it's a journey of discovery, creativity, and empowerment. By embracing the principles of event-driven programming and harnessing the potential of events and event handlers, developers unlock the key to creating applications that resonate with users on a profound level. Welcome to the heart of software development, the Visual Studio integrated development environment, where innovation meets efficiency, and ideas come to life with a single keystroke. Let's embark on an exhilarating journey through the bustling streets of Visual Studio, a digital metropolis where developers wield the tools of creation and shape the future of technology. At the core of Visual Studio lies a treasure trove of features designed to supercharge your development experience. From the sophisticated code editor with its IntelliSense magic to the intuitive form designer that brings GUI applications to life, every tool is a brushstroke in the canvas of innovation. But wait, there's more. Visual Studio isn't just a playground for code, it's a sanctuary for Visual Basic .NET developers. With dedicated support for VB.NET projects, including customizable project templates and the ever-helpful IntelliSense, developers can navigate the coding landscape with confidence and precision. And let's not forget about productivity, the lifeblood of every developer. With Visual Studio's arsenal of productivity tools at your fingertips, you can blaze through coding challenges, automate repetitive tasks, and unleash your creativity like never before. In summary, Visual Studio isn't just an IDE, it's a gateway to limitless possibilities, where innovation and dreams take flight. By embracing the power of Visual Studio, developers can transform ideas into reality and leave their mark on the digital landscape. The first steps into the world of Visual Basic .NET, a journey filled with excitement, innovation, and endless possibilities. But before we dive into the coding adventure, let's ensure we have the right tools at our disposal. Step 1. Install Visual Studio. Whether you're a solo developer exploring the community edition or a seasoned pro diving into the realms of professional or enterprise, there's a flavor of Visual Studio just for you. Step 2. Select the Visual Basic .NET workload. As the foundation of your coding endeavors, this workload equips you with all the essentials, project templates, compilers, and debugging support needed to bring your ideas to life. Step 3. Create a new project. With a few clicks, you'll be on your way to crafting your masterpiece. Choose from a variety of project templates, whether it's a sleek Windows Forms app, a dynamic web app, or a versatile class library, the choice is yours. Step 4. Write your first program. It's time to make your mark on the digital canvas. Embrace the elegance of Visual Basic .NET as you craft your very own Hello World program, a timeless tradition in the world of coding. Step 5. Build and run your application. With the click of a button, watch as your comes to life. Visual Studio compiles your masterpiece, unleashing it into the digital realm for all to behold. And there you have it, the exhilarating journey of getting started with Visual Basic .NET in Visual Studio. By following these steps, you've unlocked the gateway to a world of endless innovation and creativity. Let's uncover the exciting trends shaping the landscape of Visual Basic .NET. Integration with emerging technologies. Visual Basic .NET is stepping into the realm of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and machine learning, empowering developers to harness the potential of these cutting-edge technologies seamlessly. Cross-platform development. With the rise of cross-platform demand, Visual Basic .NET is embracing technologies like Xamarin and .NET MAUI, allowing developers to build applications that transcend platform boundaries with ease. Cloud-native development. Visual Basic .NET is embracing the cloud-native revolution, empowering developers to build scalable, resilient applications leveraging the power of Azure, AWS, and GCP. Modernization of legacy systems. Visual Basic .NET provides the tools and migration paths needed to modernize legacy applications, ensuring they remain relevant, performant, and secure in the ever-evolving digital landscape. And last but not least, Trend 5, enhanced developer productivity. With features like live share collaboration and performance profilers, Visual Basic .NET empowers developers to write cleaner, more efficient code, boosting productivity and innovation. Let's uncover the exciting trends shaping the landscape of Visual Basic .NET. Integration with emerging technologies. Visual Basic .NET is stepping into the realm of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and machine learning, empowering developers to harness the potential of these cutting-edge technologies seamlessly. Cross-platform development. With the rise of cross-platform demand, Visual Basic .NET is embracing technologies like Xamarin and .NET MAUI, allowing developers to build applications that transcend platform boundaries with ease. Cloud-native development. Visual Basic .NET is embracing the cloud-native revolution, empowering developers to build scalable, resilient applications leveraging the power of Azure, AWS, and GCP. Modernization of legacy systems. Visual Basic .NET provides the tools and migration paths needed to modernize legacy applications, ensuring they remain relevant, performant, secure in the ever-evolving digital landscape. And last but not least, Trend 5, enhanced developer productivity. With features like live share collaboration and performance profilers, Visual Basic.net empowers developers to write cleaner, more efficient code, boosting productivity and innovation. As we conclude our journey through the Visual Basic.net, let's reflect on the key takeaways that will guide us on our path forward. Visual Basic.net, a versatile platform. With its intuitive syntax, rich libraries, and seamless integration with the .NET framework, Visual Basic.net empowers developers to create fast and innovative applications efficiently, spanning across diverse domains. Continuous learning and adaptation. In the dynamic landscape of software development, embracing continuous learning, experimentation, and adaptation is paramount for staying ahead of the curve and driving innovation. Community and collaboration. The Visual Basic.net community serves as a beacon of support, knowledge sharing, and camaraderie, fostering creativity, and accelerating personal and professional growth through collaboration and engagement. And finally, future opportunities and challenges. As Visual Basic.net continues to evolve and adapt to emerging technologies and trends, embracing future opportunities, addressing challenges proactively, and staying abreast of industry developments are essential for success in the ever-evolving landscape of software development. As we bid farewell to this journey, let us carry forth the lessons learned, the connections made, and the aspirations ignited. Together, let us continue to explore, innovate, and collaborate to shape the next generation of Visual Basic.net development. Thank you for your unwavering attention throughout this journey.